Go.
Daddy, go.
Perfect.
You open it. It's yours.
Shirt?
Rip it open.
Yeah! Trevin got a new shirt.
Let's see it.
Daddy, go.
Do you need some help, Lincoln? Cool. Here, rip it open.
Daddy,
it
I
open.
wanna open another present.
I bet they're gonna match.
Oh, Daddy, you got open first. Ah!
Cool. Look at it, Lincoln. What is it?
Jesus.
It's up.
Cool. You want to put it on?
Hey, Trevin, it's a real Bible.
Yep, it's real. I wanna open another present. Ah!
Lincoln.
I wanna open another present. Daddy, I wanna
After
open
Lincoln
another.
opens that one, Matt fell over again.
What is it, Lincoln? Whoa.
Looks like a Bible.
Yeah, it looks like Bible. Now I want to open another one. I want to open another one.
Just wait, okay?
Daddy, the Bible.
Cool.
Can I open
No,
mine?
that big box that
It's your
Ellie's
own
on is
Bible.
for
It's
actually for
it's a
Tristan and
storybook Bible.
Lincoln. So Tristan, you can open that one.
And I want to open one. I want to
Thank
open
you.
another one. I want to
Okay.
open another one, Mom. I want to open another one.
We're waiting for Tristan. See?
It's my Bible.
Whoa! I saw this in the cupboard.
Can you say it?
Whoa!
Yeah.
No, I want to open another one.
Trevin, please. Please just wait.
Okay, we're not gonna open it now. Here, Tristan, open this. This one's from Uncle Jeremy for you guys.
Whoa.
Oh man!
I want to see you, Mom.
And then Trevin, let's go look at that trampoline that's in there that we opened.
No.
Let's go.
No.
We're taking a video for Grandma so she can see your trampoline.
I don't